Stand the bolster on its end and align the handle side of the cover with the bolster. Turn the bolster so the uncovered end is facing up. Bend the bolster slightly towards your body. Push the bolster down, and using a push and pull motion, carefully slide the cover onto the bolster, extending it fully. Smooth out the cover and adjust it as needed. Slowly zip up the cover while pressing down on the bolster. Be careful not to pinch any fabric in the zipper. Massage the bolster with arms or knees. Begin removing the cover from the handle side. Using your thumbs, gently push the bolster down and away from you while pulling the cover off. Avoid pulling too hard on the zipper to prevent damaging the stitches. Stand the bolster on its end and align the smooth side of the cover with the bolster. Turn the bolster so the uncovered end is facing up. Using both thumbs, gently push the bolster down while pulling the cover up. Slowly zip up the cover while pressing down on the bolster, making sure not to pinch any fabric in the zipper. Begin removing the cover from the handle side. It should slide off easily.